Good evening, folks. It's Glenn, the Ball Chef, and tonight we're going to come and make you an exotic dish from the Far East, from Thailand. And it's called Pad Prik King. And it is made with pork. It can be made with chicken. It can be made with just about any meat you want. But I'm going to use pork, which is called mu in the Thai language. So it would be Pad Prik King mu. So let's get this delicious dish prepared for you, and I think you guys are going to really like this one. Okay, we've got our pound and a half of green beans. Of course, it would have been much better if we had some Chinese long beans, but the store did not have them. So we've got about 4 ounces of just cooking oil in here, and you'll see I'm taking this thing to keep about 15 minutes turned. This temperature down to low and slow. Really important, you don't burn these beans. You want them nice and tender. And in this slow process, your Thai cooking at high temperatures, these beans, you don't want to do it that way. So just spider these off. And after we get these all spidered off, we're going to show you the lineup of the ingredients that are going to go into this famous Pad Prik King recipe. And the starter here is the actual King curry paste. Here we've got some num pla, my favorite brand, 3 crab, of course, never go wrong with that. You've got 3 table cloves of garlic and peony peppers, and of course the green beans that we cooked earlier. Now for the actual cooking process, we're going to go high heat on this. And first step is the garlic and the peony peppers. We're going to go in to the oil. There goes those hot Thai peony peppers. And we're going to let the oil get that up to heat and infuse all of the flavor of the garlic and the peonies into our base here. Now once we've got that going, we're going to put in about 4 tablespoons of our King curry paste. Again, infusing the flavors of all this into our wok. Get this all cooked off pretty good here. Just a couple minutes here. And we're looking pretty darn good to start cooking off our pork. Now I'm using pork loin. I've got about 1.5 pounds of pork loin going in here. Want to make sure that this gets thoroughly cooked off. Pork is important to be cooked thoroughly. So we will start the cooking process, infusing all of our King paste and garlic and pecanese in with the pork. Once we get that going, we will continue stir frying this up until the point where the pork is partially cooked. And at this point, we're going to throw in our pre-cooked beans. Again, now we got about 5 more minutes of stir frying. I've edited this down to shorten the version, but I will assure you that at the end of the day, all the pork is thoroughly cooked off. We're going to get this ready for our taste test. We just want to make sure that everything's cooked to the T, to perfection, and all of the curry sauce and garlic and peony peppers are all mixed and infused. And on the final note here comes the num pla, or the fish sauce. One of the things that I like about this sauce is this fish sauce is definitely my favorite brand, and you should definitely give it a try. See it. So let's plate this up with some rice and give it the old taste test. See how good this stuff really came out. It's such an easy recipe to do. And I think if you give it a try, you'll find it to be a true winner. So there's a completion of the dish itself. And let's get ready to eat, folks. There, folks, we did it. There is the Pad Prik King dish from Thailand. Cook this up, give it the old taste of Rooney. Folks, you saw how easy that was to put together. Doesn't take a genius to put a really, really good dinner. You can use pork like I did, chicken, shrimp, beef, lamb, you name it, it's going to be done. Thanks for stopping by. Just like people to come by and visit me, my channel, see what I'm up to. Thanks for watching, and as always, bon appetit.